In this short video, you will learn how people all across the U.S. are making a very rewarding income with what could be the simplest opportunity you have ever seen, and how you can benefit. Imagine an incredible opportunity where no selling is required. Now imagine it being so simple that virtually anyone can do it. How is this possible, you ask? It's not what you think. It's way better. Imagine receiving paychecks in the mail for clients we have closed for you. This amazing opportunity works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. You simply share an online video link that shows people an award-winning debt elimination program that has helped U.S. consumers cut years of payments off their debt and saved billions of dollars in interest. Step 2. After watching this amazing video, your potential client then calls our toll-free savings line to get a free savings report, which shows how much time and interest they could save. Step 3, our representative then calculates their savings, walks them through the program, and signs them up for you. That's right, we handle everything. And we send you a nice paycheck that averages between $500 and over $1,100 for each client our representatives activate for you. And that's just one client. Imagine how many clients you could get paid on each and every month. Oh, and did you notice? You only had to do step 1 of those 3 easy steps. Are you curious yet? Because it gets better than that. When you fill out this form, one of our representatives will show you 5 additional ways you get paid. You simply share the link titled Example Video on this informational page. We take care of the rest, and you get paid. Sharing this video link is simple. Our representatives will show you how easy it is to share your link with thousands, even tens of thousands of people across the U.S. And there's no selling required, no minimum hours required, and it can be done from anywhere, even while you're sitting on the beach. With trillions of dollars of debt in the U.S., the timing for this program couldn't be better. And now it's your turn to be part of this amazing opportunity. And you're in good hands. The creators of this life-changing system have received the Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award in the financial services category and have been recognized in numerous business publications. Discover how this system can work for you right now. Enter your name, email address, and phone number in this form to learn more. Then one of our team members will get back to you to answer all your questions and show you how simple and easy this opportunity really is. Don't let this highly lucrative system slip through your fingers. Fill out the form now and check it out for yourself.